Want to add some cool graphics to your image? Here's how to do it with Befunky. First, open your image in Befunky. Click on the graphics button in the left toolbar to access a variety of stickers, shapes, and illustrations. Browse through the collection and drag the graphics you like onto your image. You can resize, rotate, and reposition the graphics to fit your image perfectly. Once you have added all the elements, click Apply to confirm the changes. Use graphics to make your images more fun and dynamic. They are great for social media posts or creating advertisements. What's your favorite graphic to use on Funky? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.